Guys, we're gonna bring this machine destruction at the summer. Because damages. It's like mosquitoes were trying to bite me. Okay guys, I fucked my mom up because she was lying because I'll get a headache at the summer. Like what does mom even say about? Okay, we put some clothes there. So let's start it. Nope. Nope. Pull it so hard. Alright. Put it on drain mode. Mosquitoes are gonna bite me. Try it on spin. The laundry machine is spinning. It is shaking so much. Alright. Water doesn't work. There's no water. Pumping out. Let's get some water. We will get some water. For this, we're gonna spin, but not on test. Look at that dirty water. I'm putting the bottle inside to fill it. Hope catch doesn't get in there. Look at that, it's leaking. If door is locked. Let's try it. Filling another one. Okay, we got this to fill. Let's put in there. It's bubbling. That means it's full. No. That means it's getting full. We got one water there, but that one is stepped. Alright, let's put it in. Whoa, get off me. They almost bite my hand. Everything is leaking on the floor. Set it to 400 spin, and Who threw the peanut butter? Who threw the peanut butter? So just wait. The hell was that? Yep. Mosquitoes bite me. It's itching. It's itchy. Gosh, it's itchy. I'm just like smiling. They locked the car. What are you? Let's watch my dirty feet. Let's watch my dirty feet. Wash my dirty feet. Oh, this is feeling a lot of better now. It's feeling a lot of better, I don't know. I made footprints. Water footprints. Looks like the machine is unbalanced. Make sure I set it to 400 spin. Yeah. Look at that, 8 minutes. Still trying to figure out. Let me get a leaf to eat it. Thank you. It was a great supper. You got a leaf to eat. What kind of leaf is this? I spit it out. I need Fanta. I need a drink. Why they left the Fanta there? Korsra. This is my car, but it's locked. I locked it. Hope I don't fall. I don't fall and hurt my arm. Hey, B, get out. Hey. Hey, rats. Hey, ants, get off. Ants. Fly, get away. Sorry, I kicked the machine because there was a fly. 1 foot too deep. But am I gonna fall or something? No, I am. I am not gonna fall. Let's drop this off the roof for fun. We're gonna slowly. Dude, he made a circle. No. Hey, mosquitoes, bugs, and flies, get away! Get away, flies! These are different. Let's try collaboration. I could feel the laundry spitting in my head. Oh my god, I have a stomach ache. No, I have a headache. I have a headache. Dude, I have a headache. I have a headache. I feel like... What just happened there? What's going on? What's going on? It was my grandmother. The washing machine's finished. No, it's locked. No, I have hands. I have hands. No spin. Wait, what the hell? Quick wash. Oh, it's boiling. Gotta just wait. I took the leaves off the... Who threw a spoon? I could hear it. Like, who threw a spoon at it? That's the houses. Here are the houses. I might not go there because I will suddenly fall off. Like, it looks like a cliff or something. They're Albanian. I'm in Albanian, but I'm in Bordon. I'm in Bordon. Hey, get over here. Get over here. Hey, stop. 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 Stop, that is my machine. That is mine. Not yours. Look what they did. They make blood anywhere like my body. And other people's body. Are you gonna open the door or what? Please open the door. Please open the door. Whoa.